Thinking about reselling online? Let's break down eBay versus Amazon. Which platform truly gives resellers the edge? Stick around to find out. First up, fees. On eBay, you pay an insertion fee plus a final value fee. Amazon charges a referral fee plus a monthly subscription for pro accounts. Which eats more profit? eBay's fees depend on your item category. It's often lower for low-cost items. Amazon's fees are more consistent but higher, especially for lower-priced products. Know your cost. Audience size matters. eBay has a strong, loyal user base. But Amazon attracts millions of daily shoppers worldwide. Are you aiming for niche or mass market? Shipping can be a hassle. eBay leaves it to the seller. You set the shipping method and cost. Amazon offers fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, for hands-off shipping. Easier, right? FBA simplifies logistics. Amazon handles storage, packing, and shipping. But it comes with additional fees. Are you ready to pay for convenience? eBay allows you to choose your shipping service. You have control but also the responsibility. Which fits your business model better? Let's talk about ease of use. eBay's listing process is straightforward, great for beginners. Amazon's process is more complex but offers more tools. What's your comfort level? Listing on eBay is intuitive. Fill in the details, upload pictures, and you're set. Amazon requires more detailed product information. Got the patience? Amazon Seller Central offers robust analytics and advertising tools. It's powerful but can be overwhelming. Are you data savvy or prefer simplicity? Customer service can make or break you. eBay allows direct communication with buyers. Amazon handles customer service for FBA sellers. Which would you prefer? Returns are another factor. eBay lets sellers set their return policy. Amazon's return policy is standardized for better customer trust. Flexibility or uniformity? Trust levels differ. eBay's feedback system builds seller reputation over time. Amazon's A to Z guarantee program boosts buyer confidence. Which system works for you? eBay's auction-style listings can drive up prices. It's thrilling but unpredictable. Amazon's fixed-price listings are stable. What's your strategy? Mobile app functionality is key. eBay's app is user-friendly for quick listings. Amazon's app is more feature-rich but complex. Which suits your pace? Remember seller support. eBay offers various support levels. Amazon's professional support is robust but more expensive. Need hands-on help? eBay's seller promotions can boost your listings. Amazon's advertising options are vast but can be costly. Where do you want to invest? Think about international reach. eBay's global shipping program simplifies international sales. Amazon offers vast international marketplaces. Ready to go global? eBay is great for unique, collectible items. Amazon excels with new, mass-produced goods. What are you selling? Consider payment processing. eBay uses managed payments, consolidating payment methods. Amazon handles payments directly. Which makes transactions smoother? eBay's feedback system directly impacts sales. Maintain high ratings to attract buyers. Amazon's performance metrics are strict. Can you keep up? Look at growth potential. eBay is perfect for small-scale sellers. Amazon offers scalability for large operations. What's your growth plan? eBay is more flexible with branding. Create a unique store identity. Amazon standardizes listings, limiting branding. Want to stand out? Returns management is crucial. eBay lets you control it. Amazon's system is automated but strict. How much control do you want? Think about storage. eBay sellers manage their own inventory. Amazon FBA stores products for you. How much space do you have? eBay's seller fees are simpler. One rate based on item category. Amazon's fees are tiered and can be complex. Are you good with numbers? Customer loyalty differs. eBay buyers often return to favorite sellers. Amazon attracts loyal customers to the platform. Want direct customer loyalty? eBay's auction excitement can drive higher prices. Amazon's buy box can boost sales. What excites you more? Shipping speed is crucial. eBay lets you choose. Amazon Prime offers fast shipping. Can you meet high-speed expectations? In the end, the choice between eBay and Amazon depends on your business needs. Know your strengths and goals. Ready to choose?